Bobby Stein, y'all. Today is Saturday, February 9th. Can you believe we're in the mid of winter and it's 78 degrees outside in the Mississippi Delta? Today I'm headed to Metcalfe, Mississippi. It's not too far out of Greenville. I don't think I've ever filmed this before, so we'll give it a show, y'all. Hope you enjoy the video. Thank y'all for watching my channel, and we will see you next video. The Metcalfe family moved to Metcalfe in 1854, and the town was named after them around 1870. Metcalfe was a stop on the Yazoo and Mississippi Valley Railroad to service different plantations in the area. We're coming into Metcalfe now. I wanted to say something about the video and photos today. I'm trying something different. I'm trying what's called a LUT, or a lookup table, on the videos and the photographs. And what that is a preset number of characteristics that are applied to the video and the photographs to make it look a certain way. I'm using what's called a DJI LUT because I use a DJI camera and my drone is made by DJI. So I've noticed that what this particular LUT does, it makes the blues look a lot richer and also the greens look a lot richer. Without the LUT being applied, I think the video and photographs would be pretty drab. So I hope y'all like this effect that I've put on. I'm going to experiment it with more, with LUTs more, also with color more on my videos and photographs. Also, I'd like to say something about my YouTube channel. I've had my channel for 5 years. Over the years, up until this year, I've built up about 5,000 subscribers, which I thought was really good. I started experimenting last year, paying Google to promote my YouTube videos. And what I would do is pick the countries I'd want to promote it in, and then Google would place the video in people's watch column for them to watch it. And it did pretty good. My subscribers started picking up. Then this past December, I picked India for a country to promote my videos in. And boy, my subscriptions really took off when I put India down. I've put on probably close to 6,000 subscribers just since December. And when I look, most of them are from India. Now, I don't know why people in India like the Mississippi Delta so much, but I want to thank them so much for subscribing to my channel and watching my videos. You see how rich the colors are? The blue is so rich, and the colors in the house were so rich. That wouldn't have been possible without putting the LUT on. One of my favorite churches, this is at the intersection at a perfect angle. I've experimented with a little black and white also. See how that looks in the video. Just driving around Metcalfe, folks. Okay, for my Indian friends in India, how about a little Indian blues? This song is called Jagish, and I hope y'all enjoy. I couldn't get the drone shots I wanted today because it was too windy, and I didn't want to risk tearing up my drone, my DJI Mavic 3 Pro drone. think this is Metcalf Road. This will go out to the airport. If you look in the upper right, you can see the Greenville Airport. And this is Deer Creek we're looking at. Okay, y'all, this is the end of the tour. Hope you enjoyed the video. Y'all come back and we will see you next video.